Neighbors, will come to this lesson. Today we are going to see how do we differentiate. So our topic today is differentiation. Now, differentiation is that this one y is varying with x, and this one we call it a function of x. Now, so that x is having power n. How do we differentiate this? To differentiate is saying when I differentiate y with respect to what's on the right, we are going to differentiate y with respect when we are differentiating what's on the right, which is x. This one is called a power rule. It says you lower this power, then you reduce that power by 1. So this one is a function question, so that we are differentiating it, we say f prime of x will be now still, if this is n, we lower this power, then reduce that power by 1. Now this one is called the power rule, and it's called the first derivative, and it's always what we apply. But we can be adding the second derivative, the third derivative, and so on. So if I'm to get the third derivative and do the second, I say I differentiate this the second time with respect to x. This will be still, I will lower this power is always there, then I lower this power n minus 1. Then I reduce this power by 1. So when I reduce this power by 1 minus 2. So you can go on to get the second derivative. So you get the third derivative. You can go on to get the third derivative, which is the y cubed over the x cubed equaling 2. You try out this. Now this one, the second derivative will be x prime of x, which will be still n minus 1 x n minus 2. Now, here we are going to note something whenever we are differentiating. Note, whenever we are differentiating a constant will mean the figure without the value. Whenever we are differentiating a constant, we always get a 0, as we are going to see. So in our examples, we say differentiate the following. What are the following? Number 1, y equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3. Now, we are going to apply the power rule. So, this one we are going to differentiate y with respect to x because x is the one on the right. So now my y, the x becomes, we say, we lower this power. So this power multiplies this. So 2 times square will be greater than 4. Then I reduce this power by 1. So 2 minus 1. Then minus this is power 1 times this 4 remains. Then x 1 minus 1. Then plus reduce this power by 1. That's why I'm about to move 1. You see that this one is a constant, and you say whenever you differentiate a constant, you get a 0. That's why I am adding a 0. So now here my dy. The x becomes, this is 4x minus 4. This will be x power 0, and x power 0 is 1. 1 times this, you get that. Number 2, let us see. If I have, say, y equaling to 3x power 4 minus 3x cubed plus 2x minus 4. Let us say I differentiate this. So now I'm having the value of y and x. So I'm having my y dx equal to, say, get this power times this, I'll be having 12x. When I reduce this power by 1, now you get a 3. Minus this times this will be, you lower this power, and you multiply it. So this time this will be having negative 9. Then reduce this power by 1, will be having 2. Then plus, this one is 1, and lower it, you get 2. When you reduce this by 1, so 1 minus 1, it will be 0, 0, x power 0 is 1. Then this is a constant, when you differentiate, you get a 0. And that's the now. Number 3, I'm going to be adding y equaling to x power negative 3. That's how we differentiate this. So I'm having a value of y and x. So my y, the x will be, I lower this power, but I get a multiply here, I have negative 3. Then I reduce it by 1. But If I reduce this by 1, I'll be having minus 3 minus 1, which would be negative 4. And we stop at that. Now, in number 4, I'm going to be having something like this. Y equal to t cubed minus t power negative 2 plus 1 over t. Now, this number, you see, to differentiate all our functions should be up. So I start by taking this up. So I'll be having my y equal to t power 3 minus t power negative 2 now plus t power. When I take this power, its power now becomes negative 1. Now we can differentiate. By this time, I have y valued with the t. So I'm going to be having the y, the t equaling to, this will be 3. Reduce this by 1, now it becomes t squared. Then minus, this minus, when multiply this, get plus 2t. When reduce this by 1, now we have negative 3. Then this negative multiplies that get negative 1. When reduce here by negative 1, you get negative 2. And that's how we differentiate this. In number 5, I'm going now to mix. I'm going to be having say y equal to x power 4 minus x power 3 plus 3 the whole over x. Now instead of this one, we have something divided. So you can start by separating those two. So you say this x divides this, your y will be x divides this, you get x cubed. X divides x cubed, you get x squared. Then this will be adding 3 over x. And you say now you take this up. So my y here becomes x cubed minus x squared, then plus 3x now. This power comes to negative 1. So now my y dx becomes, this will get 3x squared minus 1 is 2, and reduce this by 1, which will be having 2x. Then when I bring this multiply here, I'll be having negative 3, then x power negative 2, when I reduce this by 1, and that's the number. So please try out these ones. So try out these two. I wish you the best.